Hi, Matt Roulette here with MarineMax Boston. Today I'm on board a brand new 2024 17 Montauk. This one is equipped with the 115 Mercury engine. It's the upgrade. It comes standard with a 90, but we popped up to the 115 on this. Gets up and goes. Under here, you got your pilot seat right here. You can lift it up. You have a ton of storage, life jackets, towels, whatever you want. I love the 17 Montauk. It's just big enough to explore. This one has a blank screen. You can put any screen MFD you want up here. It's got all your switches right here, throttle. This has a fishing package. So you get your 4 additional rod holders. It's got the jump seats in the rear, bow cushions, high bow rails. Yeah, this is just a quick overview of the 17 Montauk. So if you have any questions about this boat, any other boat in my inventory, please give me a call. Matt Roulette, MarineMax Boston, 603-320-5524. Thank you very much.